crafting your own beer at home. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special in store for all the beer enthusiasts out there. We're going to take you on a step-by-step journey into the world of craft beer. That's right. We're going to learn how to make your very own delicious craft beer right at home. So, let's dive in. Before we begin, let's go over the ingredients you'll need for this brewing adventure. You'll require malt extract, specialty grains, hops, yeast, water, and of course, lots of patience. Now, let's get started with the first step. Step 1. Boiling the wort. Begin by bringing water to a boil in a large pot. Once it's boiling, add your malt extract, which serves as the foundation of your beer's flavor. Stir it gently to ensure it fully dissolves. This mixture is called the wort, the sweet liquid base of your beer. Step 2. Adding hops for flavor. Now, it's time to introduce the hops. Hops contribute bitterness, aroma, and flavor to your beer. Different hop varieties will result in unique taste profiles. Add them to the boiling wort and let them simmer for the specified time, as mentioned in your recipe. Step 3. Cooling and fermentation. After the boiling process, it's important to cool down the wort rapidly. Place the pot in an ice bath or use a wort chiller until it reaches room temperature. Once cooled, transfer the wort to a fermentation vessel, like a glass carboy or a food-grade plastic bucket. Step 4. Pitching the yeast. Time to introduce the magical ingredient, yeast. Sprinkle the yeast over the surface of the wort and let it work its magic. The yeast consumes the sugars in the wort, converting them into alcohol and carbon dioxide, resulting in beer. Step 5. Fermentation and conditioning. Seal the fermentation vessel with an airlock to allow carbon dioxide to escape while preventing any unwanted contaminants from entering. Store the vessel in a cool, dark place and let it ferment for the recommended time, usually around 1 to 2 weeks. Step 6. Bottling your brew. Once fermentation is complete, it's time to bottle your beer. Sanitize your bottles and transfer the beer using a siphoning tube or a bottling wand. Don't forget to add a small amount of priming sugar, which will create carbonation in the bottle. Step 7. The reward. After patiently waiting for the beer to carbonate in the bottles, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Pour your beer into a glass, appreciate the beautiful color, and savor that first sip of your very own homemade craft beer. Excited? And there you have it, folks. You've just learned how to craft your own delicious beer at home. The possibilities for flavors, styles, and experimentation are endless. So, gather your ingredients, get brewing, and let your creativity flow.